Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your Entryway is drowning in sneakers, boots and sandals, today's video is for you. We are exploring wooden shoe rack ideas, from minimalist designs to clever storage solutions you can build yourself. Wooden racks are sturdy, customizable and stylish. Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious home, there is a design that will fit your space and your shoes. So let's dive into the world of wooden shoe racks and discover smart, beautiful ways to organize your footwear. Before we get into specific designs, let's talk about why wood is such a great material for shoe racks. Strength and durability. Solid wood holds heavy boots and multiple pairs without sagging. Customizable. You can stain, paint or cut wood to match your decor, whether that's rustic farmhouse or sleek modern. Eco-friendly. Repurpose pallets, scrap planks, or reclaimed wood for a sustainable project. Timeless aesthetic. Wood instantly warms up a room, turning a practical storage piece into a stylish accent. Basically, wood isn't just functional, it is furniture that elevates your space. Let's start with the entryway, where shoe racks are most needed. Number 1. Open slatted bench rack. A simple bench with slatted shelves underneath serves two purposes: seating while you tie your shoes and storage for pairs below. Perfect for families or guests. Number 2. Cubby rack. Build a grid of wooden cubbies so each pair has its own compartment. This keeps shoes organized and prevents dirt from spreading. You can go tall and narrow for small spaces or wide for big families. Number 3. Two-tier floating shelves. Mount two sturdy wooden planks on the wall with hidden brackets. It keeps shoes off the floor and makes sweeping easier. Ladder style rack. Lean a wooden ladder against the wall and add planks across the rungs. It is lightweight, portable and visually interesting. Not everyone has a big foyer. These ideas maximize small areas. Number 1. Vertical tower rack. Stack narrow wooden boxes or circular shelves upward instead of outward. Perfect for apartments where every inch counts. Number 2. Corner rack. Triangular wooden shelves fit snugly into unused corners, making awkward spaces functional. Number 3. Understay storage. Build custom pull-out wooden drawers under your staircase for a hidden, clutter-free look. Number 4. Flip-down cabinets. Wooden frames with tilting fronts let shoes hide inside but remain easy to grab. Paint the exterior to match your walls for a seamless finish. Love a cozy lived-in vibe? Try these. Pallet rack. Stack or wall mount a few pallets, sand and seal them, and slide shoes between the slats. Crate stack. Vintage wooden crates can be arranged like Lego blocks. Mix sizes for a playful rustic look. Live edge shelf. Use slabs of natural edge wood for a rack that doubles as art. These designs are inexpensive and eco-friendly, and every piece of reclaimed wood tells a story. Why settle for just a shoe rack when it can do more? Shoe plus coat combo, and hooks and a top shelf for bags or hats to create a complete mudroom station. Storage bench with lift-up lid. Keep seasonal shoes hidden inside while using top as a seat. Mirror rack. Attach a full-length mirror to a vertical rack so you can check your outfit as you head out. These hybrid designs maximize utility, especially in compact homes. The right finish can transform a basic rack into a showpiece. Good dark walnut for a sophisticated look. Whitewash for a beachy vibe. Add browse hooks, black iron brackets or leather pulls for extra style. Line shelves with washable mats to catch dirt and protect wood. Top your rack with a small plant, photo frame or basket to make it feel like part of your furniture, not just storage. And that's a wrap on wooden shoe rack ideas that combine function, style, and sustainability. Which design will you try first? The rustic pallet rack, the sleek floating shelf, or a multifunctional storage bench? Let me know in the comments. So until next time, happy decorating!